So Darius is looking very happy and Darius wishes everyone a happy Christmas and Darius has some special surprise to give to everyone. And Darius is going to give the first present to Kaio and then Cyrus brings Kaio in his arms and Kaio is going to get many presents from Darius' uncle. And Darius has bought many presents for Kaio and then Cyrus picks up the first present for Kaio and Cyrus opens the first present for Kaio. And from this present Kaio gets to see a beautiful guitar and Cyrus plays the guitar for Kaio and tries to make Kaio happy by playing the guitar. But Kaio face shows that Kaio did not like the guitar much, but Cyrus liked Kaio present very much and then it is the turn to open the second present. And finally Kaio also picks up the guitar and it seems that Kaio starts to like the guitar and Cyrus starts playing the guitar for Kaio again when suddenly a knocking sound is heard. And everyone is shocked and it is seen that the Grinch comes back and the Grinch is on the roof and everyone is very worried when the Grinch comes back. And the Grinch is knocking on the window on the roof and Cyrus and Darius tell the Grinch to go back but the Grinch is acting scary and the Grinch is not going back. And Cyrus does not understand how to get the Grinch out of the house and Darius says that the Grinch has a ladder on the roof and Darius does not understand what the Grinch is trying to do. And Cyrus thinks that we should quickly pack the present and hide it from the Grinch. And Cyrus is very worried about Kaio and Darius and Cyrus do not know at all who could be in this Grinch suit. And Cyrus and Darius have become very careful and Darius says that the Grinch comes inside the house and the Grinch acting looks a bit scary. And Darius tells the Grinch to go back but the Grinch is pointing his finger at Kaio and from the Grinch actions it seems that the Grinch has come for Kaio. And Kaio is also scared to see the Grinch and the Grinch also tries to attack Darius and Darius tells the Grinch to go away and the Grinch is moving towards the present. And then a fight starts between Darius and the Grinch and the Grinch takes Kaio present and the Grinch keeps seeing the opportunity and Darius is not able to catch the Grinch. And while Kaio is very scared because of the situation and Cyrus and Darius are very confused as to who could be in the Grinch suit and Cyrus is thankful that Kaio is safe and then it is seen that the Grinch is successful in stealing the guitar.